Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing a initial review on Rose hair. On Instagram they're called Rose Hair Official, but yes, Rose hair. First off, I love the packaging. I did not open it yet, so this is my first reaction with you guys. So the first thing I see is a bag. I was like, what is this? Is this makeup? I don't know what this was. So when I opened it, I was so surprised by how many goodies they sent me. Thank you so much, Rose Hair. So the first thing they sent me was a wig cap. You know, you can never go wrong with a wig cap. And then they sent me a hair scrunchie. I'm probably not going to use this, but it's good to have one in the house, you know. And then a little cute brush. It's good to have a paddle brush all the time because, you know, they be going missing. And then they sent me a hair clip. I never use these, but I don't know, maybe one day I'll probably use it. I don't know. And then let's see what else is in there. Oh, edge brush. And then when I saw this, I was so surprised. I was like, wow, they went the extra mile to send me tweezers for my part. And they also sent me a razor. I was like, okay, they sent me the whole, everything I need. The only thing they was missing was bleach and developer at this point. I'm sorry, y'all, that's my daughter. She's giving me her brush. But yeah, the only thing like I was missing at this point was bleach and the developer. Now let's get into what else is in the package. So these are two pamphlets. I did not get to open it. The first one was about their wholesale program. They do like custom packaging and everything. Like, this company is amazing. They literally do it all, custom boxes, everything you need. And this one is just really about the return policy and all that good stuff, girl. Now let's get into what we came here for, the wig review. Okay, so it is a deep wave 4x4 closure wig. Okay, I wanted something easy. You know, they actually asked me what I wanted and I told them what I wanted. So the 26-inch deep wave closure wig. So upon opening it, I'm like, okay, what is this gonna feel like? Is this gonna feel like crunchy? Like, what are the curls gonna feel like? So I took it out. I did not touch it yet. And when I first touched it, I was very surprised because this hair is so soft. It's like pillow soft, guys. Like, it's like really, really soft. And I was like, wow, okay. So I was so surprised, and I'm just like, you know, showing you guys the closure and everything. The good thing about this wig is that it comes with baby hairs. So you don't even gotta cut your own baby hairs. You just gotta, like, you know, cut the lace, maybe bleach the knots, and maybe customize it to how you like it. And inside of the wig comes with four combs and adjustable straps, which is good because your girl's head is big, and sometimes some of these wigs, sometimes they don't fit me, and sometimes they're actually too big. Now what's inside the wig is basically just the hair specs of the wig. It's telling you the density and you know, everything about the wig, which is amazing. This company is very, very good at branding, I can say that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna run my fingers slightly through the hair, a little bit. So I did get like one strand of hair, but that was it. You know, with deep wave hair, you don't really want to run your fingers through it before you co-wash the hair, because that's just what curly hair is gonna do. You know, it's gonna shed like one little maybe strand of hair. But that's it, guys, for this video. Stay tuned for my next video on the install.